Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of StakeBox, your one-stop solution for staking cryptocurrency and earning rewards effortlessly. StakeBox offers a user-friendly and secure platform that allows you to stake your crypto assets and generate consistent rewards. Whether you're new to staking or an experienced investor, StakeBox simplifies the process while ensuring your assets remain secure. Start by visiting the StakeBox homepage, where you'll notice a clean interface designed to help you access all the features with ease. Signing up is straightforward. Just click the Sign Up button in the top right corner, provide the required details, and create your account. Once registered, explore your dashboard. Here, you'll find options to stake a variety of cryptocurrencies, manage your wallet, and track your rewards. StakeBox supports multiple cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice for users who want to diversify their staking portfolio. Each staking option clearly displays its respective APY, allowing you to make informed decisions about where to allocate your assets. The platform provides tools to calculate your potential earnings, helping you plan your staking strategy efficiently. Funding your wallet is easy and secure. Head to the deposit section, select your preferred cryptocurrency, and follow the instructions to transfer funds. Once your wallet is funded, navigate to the staking section and choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. The process is intuitive. Select the amount, confirm your choice, and watch your rewards grow. StakeBox's real-time analytics dashboard lets you monitor your staking performance and rewards seamlessly. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. StakeBox prioritizes security with advanced encryption protocols and two-factor authentication, ensuring your assets are safe at all times. The platform also offers 24/7 customer support to address any queries or concerns promptly. Ready to start staking and earning rewards? Click the link in the description to sign up and claim your bonus. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more crypto insights and tutorials.